Crack the code. Mastering uncountable nouns in English. Hello, English learners. Welcome back to another exciting lesson. Today, we are going to uncover the secrets of uncountable nouns in English. By the end of this video, you will have a thorough understanding of what uncountable nouns are and how to use them in sentences. So, let's dive in. First off, what are uncountable nouns? Uncountable nouns, also known as mass nouns, are words that cannot be counted. This means they do not have a plural form, and they can't be used with a or n. Examples include words like water, air, rice, knowledge, and happiness. You may ask, why does this matter? Understanding the difference between countable and uncountable nouns is crucial for correct grammar in your sentences, especially when it comes to verb agreement and the use of certain quantifiers. Now, how can we identify uncountable nouns? In English, uncountable nouns often refer to 1. Ideas or abstract concepts, e.g., advice, chaos, motivation. 2. Conditions or states, e.g., weather, health, fun. 3. Natural phenomena, e.g., weather, sunshine, rain. 4. Liquids and gases, e.g., water, milk, oxygen. 5. Powders and grains, e.g., rice, wheat, sand. 6. Collective groups of certain things, e.g., furniture, luggage. Please note that some nouns can be both countable and uncountable, depending on the context. When it comes to using uncountable nouns, remember that they 1. Are often used with singular verbs. For example, the milk is cold. 2. Can't be used with a or n. For example, we don't say a furniture, we say some furniture. 3. Are used with some specific quantifiers, like some, a lot of, much, a bit of, a great deal of. For example, I have a lot of work to do. Well, that's a wrap for today's lesson on uncountable nouns. We hope you now feel confident identifying and using these nouns in your own English writing and conversation. Keep practicing, as this is key to mastering any language. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next English learning adventure. Remember, English is not just a subject, it's a language. It's a means of understanding the world and expressing your unique thoughts and ideas. So, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep speaking. Till next time, happy learning!